सो हाय फ्रेंड्स, एज आई सेड कि हमें पढ़ना बहुत ज़रूरी है। हम जब तक पढ़ेंगे नहीं तब तक हम इस दुनिया को नई नज़रिए से नहीं देख पाएंगे। सो रीडिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। यू मस्ट inculcate habit of reading. As I have already referred beautiful books to you, buy these books. If you want many, I would give names and list later. Why reading matters? Reading shapes you. It gives a vision. It gives clarity to you about your life. Do you know, friends? Readers are leaders, and leaders are readers. So you must inculcate habit of reading. If you read, you look at the world with a different perspective. If you read, you have a new vision towards life, and if you read, you will always have new possibilities, new avenues, and yes, do you know, friends? Reading shapes you to a beautiful person. So inculcate a habit of reading because each time you read, you find yourself new. Friends, it is said that everyone was born to make a history. Everyone was born to make a history. But people, those who read, they create history. So believe in reading, keep reading, and promise to yourself never go to bed without reading 10 minutes every day. Do you know, friends, 10 minutes into 10 years, you'll find a wow you, a new you, and a great you. That is what matters a lot. So, inculcate a habit of reading. And after reading, the most important thing matters is self image. Self image. And now we are going to talk about self image. Friends, when I say self image, what do I mean by this? I have two pictures here. One is cat and second is lion. I have two pictures. One is cat and second is a lion. I want to just tell a beautiful story. I would say a story, more than a story, go with this mindset. You stand in front of a mirror and say to yourself, I'm the best. I'm amazing. I'm the best version of myself. And I was born to change the world. And have a smile on your face. Friends, try this for 11 days. 12th day, you'll find a great difference in you. Do you know what is this? You're building your self image. You're building your self image. So always give instructions to yourself. Do you know, friends, when we give instruction to ourselves, we become better. So learn the habit of giving instructions. Second, keep doing as much self talk as you can. And friends, doing self talk will improve your approach towards life. Give instruction to yourself, do self talk. And now we'll discuss about cat and lion. What is the difference between cat and lion? Cat is the animal that is supposed to be too tiny and nobody is afraid of. Equally, lion is a very powerful animal. When he's supposed to be the king of jungle, he is the king of jungle, but everybody is scared of. Lion has an approach. Lion has an approach. Lion has attitude. Lion has that killer instinct. Lion has that clarity, and lion knows how to attack its prey. What do you think about cat? Everything looks small. Everything looks small. Every matter is a tiny matter. The difference is huge. What image are you going to carry yourself? Are you going to be a lion in your life, or you're going to have a cat image in your life? Remember, friends, lion is known for aggression. Lion is known for a passion. Same with other animal, quite known for the same. But what difference? Difference is the difference of your self-talk. Difference is the difference what instructions you give to yourself. So friends, build your self-image in such a way that you become very powerful. I have a nice situation for you, and I want you to close your eyes for this instruction. Are you there with me all? So close your eyes. और जो मैं बोलूँगा उसके पीछे रहना है. So imagine करो कि अपने आप की आंखें बंद कर लिए. Imagine मत करो यार, आंखें बंद कर लो. So now you close your eyes. You have visited an auditorium. So you have visited an auditorium, and when you visit, there are all great personalities in the world. The first picture you go and you see is of Mahatma Gandhi. What comes in your mind when you think of Mahatma Gandhi? In your mind comes peace, non-violence, and truth. After that, you walk a bit more, and then you see second personality. The man is tall, heighted, supposed to be a legend of Bollywood, Amitabh Bachchan. What comes in your mind? Passion, voice, vision. Again, you walk few steps ahead. Then you look at the picture, Colonel Sanders, around 75-year-old man, smiling, showcasing his brand, and telling you that yes, I am success. Again, you walk few distance more. Don't open your eyes. Again you walk few miles more, and then you have a picture, a man who's exhibiting a lot of confidence, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. How do you feel when you look at the picture? Warrior, a passionate fighter, a great leader, a great human being. और उसके बाद थोड़ा आगे चले गए आप, and there you have a picture of one of the finest leaders in the world that has made world a better place for everybody to live, for everybody to cherish, and to make the world believe that yes, we all are great human beings. Picture of Nelson Mandela. Again, peace and love. Friends, we have seen now these 5-6 images, and each image has given you a message. Amitabh Bachchan has given you a message of passion. Mahatma Gandhi has given you a message of non-violence. Amitabh Bachchan has also given a message that one should have a clear voice and a clarity. And in the last picture you have seen Nelson Mandela, sacrifice. Friends, what do you think when you think of these images? Everybody has his own forte. और क्या करना, वहाँ पे अपना भी एक पिक्चर लगाओ, और क्या लगाना चाहोगे खुद के साथ? पैशन, विजन, एम, ड्रीम, क्लैरिटी, और वो पिक्चर लगाओ और वहाँ पे वो लिखो. तो लिखो मत, अब से वो जीना शुरू करो. You are an image of what you think of. So be the image that you wish to be. So your self-image should be portrayed keeping great personalities in mind, because that will shape you, make you a great person. Friends, building self-image matters a lot. Remember, self-image should have 4 characteristics. I don't give up. I'm the one who was born to be the best. Third, my life is a story. And fourth, I was born to be the best with excellence. This will build your self-image to a great success. Remember, life smiles at you when you smile at it. Inculcate a habit of developing a wow self-image that will shape you, will change you, and will make you an amazing person. So friends, now onwards, think that what self-image you want to have. Again, visit an auditorium where we had great personalities, and ensure that next time you are also there in that auditorium with a clarity. And yes, what is your self-image? What do you want to look at yourself? A leader, a role model, an icon, a brand ambassador, a world changer, a game changer, a hero of your life? Who are you? Close your eyes and ask question to yourself. You are going to find a wow answer. And that is what is self-image. How can we improve our self-image? Friends, there are some steps of improving self-image. The most powerful self-image is a mind power. Have a strongest mind in the world that you believe, yes, I'm the best, I'm living the best, I'm doing the best, I'm finding my best, and that matters a lot. So mind power. When I'm saying mind power, I mean to say mental strength. When I'm saying mind power, I mean to say ability. When I'm saying mind power, I mean to say clarity. When I'm saying mind power, I mean to say you're psychologically very, very strong person, because that's what matters a lot. हम जब बात करेंगे माइंड पावर की, तो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ आपकी एबिलिटीज़ की, आपकी पोटेंशियल की, आपकी क्षमताओं की, और सबसे बड़ी बात आपके जीवन की तरफ देखने के नज़रिए की, और ये होता है हमारा माइंड पावर. You can develop your self-image by having the strongest mind power. Second comes one step at a time. Remember that. हम हमेशा बोलते हैं, जब सपना बड़ा देखोगे ना, तो वो बड़े सपने को छोटे छोटे सपने में डिवाइड करो. तो क्या होगा ना, एक सपना अचीव करने से हम में कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा. जिंदगी में एक बहुत पावरफुल सेंटेंस है, और वो सेंटेंस बोलता है, स्मॉल थिंग्स मेक बिग डिफरेंस. स्मॉल थिंग्स मेक बिग डिफरेंस. छोटी चीज़ें जिंदगी में बहुत बड़ा बदलाव लाती है, और हमें वो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें करना है, और इतनी अच्छी तरीके से करना है कि यार लोग मुझे उसके लिए जाने. आप आपका सेल्फ इमेज इंप्रूव कर सकते हो वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम. व्हाट इज दैट वन स्टेप? अगर फिजिकल फिटनेस की बात कर रहे हो, व्हाट इज वन स्टेप इन द मॉर्निंग? गो 6 o'clock इन द मॉर्निंग फॉर अ वॉक. वो सिंगल स्टेप की बात कर रहे हो, इंटेलेक्चुअली क्या करोगे? तो हर रोज कुछ बुक्स पढ़ेंगे, हम कुछ अच्छे थॉट्स पढ़ेंगे, कुछ मोटिवेशनल पढ़ेंगे, एंड नाउ वी लर्न मोर अबाउट how to have self-image and what we can do better in systematic manner, and that's what matters. अब हम जब बात कर रहे हैं सेल्फ इमेज की तो वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम, वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम मैंने बोला था फिजिकल वॉक, सेकंड आई सेड इंटेलेक्चुअल रीड, देन आई सेड स्पिरिचुअल डू योगा. बट यार अगर मैं जिंदगी में हर रोज 2 घंटे तो नहीं दे सकता, 10 मिनट तो दे सकता हूँ. सो रिमेंबर 10 मिनट्स, 10 का 15 होगा, 15 का 20 होगा, बट शुरुआत करना है वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम. और जब आप वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम फिलोसफी से करोगे तो यू विल नॉट फेल इन योर लाइफ. रिमेंबर नो ग्रेट थिंग्स एवर हैपन ओवर ए नाइट. एंड यू नो फ्रेंड्स, Rome is not built in a day. Rome is not built in a day. So did Taj Mahal. It took years and years. So same way, you are shaping Taj Mahal of your life. You are shaping Rome of your life. Remember, one step at a time. And the most important thing for me matters is get the knowledge edge. This is the most powerful thing. You can always develop your self-image by developing a knowledge edge. What comes in your mind when you think of Harsha Bhogle? One thing comes in your mind, knowledge. What comes in your mind when you think of Mahendra Singh Dhoni? Leadership. What comes in your mind when you think of Nelson Mandela? Communication. What comes in your mind when you think of Barack Obama? Public speaking. What comes in your mind when you think of Sundar Pichai? Soft skills, leadership and approach. Get the knowledge edge. Matters a lot. You develop that edge of a knowledge. Friends, you are respected for a money, but loved, given the best of everything if you have a knowledge. And do you know what is the biggest power in the world? Is not your wealth. It is your knowledge that will help you to build wealth. That will help you to build wealth. Story is not vice versa. Rather, it is a straight line. Be the best, have a knowledge edge. You will see the best of yourself. And that's what matters a lot. Friends, we have neglected the ability of learning. We have rather neglected. I have seen people coming and saying, Sir, अब मेरा तो सब हो गया. I am settled in my life. Friends, हम कभी सेटल नहीं हो सकते. हमें हमेशा नई चीज़ें सीखना है. Learn from Colonel Sanders. At the retirement age, he established a new empire. And see every great personality. In 2000, Amitabh Bachchan was zero, and now in 2019, 20, he's turning out to be one of the finest actors, turning out to be one of the richest actors in India. Why? Because he has the knowledge edge. So inculcate the habit of having a knowledge edge. जब तक पढ़ोगे नहीं तब तक बढ़ोगे नहीं, और जब तक हमारे दिमाग में नई आइडियाज़, नई सोच नहीं आएंगी, तब तक हम ज़िंदगी को उस नज़रिए से नहीं देख पाएंगे जिस नज़रिए से हम देखना चाहते हैं. सो ऑलवेज इनकलकेट अ हैबिट ऑफ हैविंग अ नॉलेज एज, एंड दैट एज मैटर्स अ लॉट. Create your identity with knowledge. Create your vision with knowledge. And yes, have a clarity about your life that will bring knowledge and matters a lot. And the last step which I feel, failure is the road to success. हमने बचपन से सुना है कि यार failure is a stepping stone to success. Do you know friends, failure is not a setback, it is a feedback. Failure is an opportunity to again begin more wisely and with intellect. Failure doesn't break you, it shapes you, it wants you to be better. Remember, the best in you won't come until you fail. Ask any athlete that he loses a match with the least margin. For him, that is not a failure, that is a learning. We call something sporting spirit in our life. Do you know friends, if I lose, I will have a smile on my face. And I'll say to myself, not a problem, I lose this time, but in future, I would remember what mistakes I made. I will not repeat these mistakes. I will do better. I will plan well. Because for me, failure is a first step towards my success. Remember, successful people are the people. I repeat, successful people are the people who have failed more than failed once. Successful people are the people who are failed more than failed once. जो लोग सक्सेसफुल बनते हैं वही लोग होते हैं जो फेल्ड लोगों से ज़्यादा फेल होते हैं, उसके बाद ही वो सक्सेस बनते हैं. हम हर एक का एक स्टोरी है, और जब आपके स्टोरी में फेलियर होगा ना, वो स्टोरी पढ़ने में मज़ा आएगा. कैसा मूवी देखते हैं हम, एक्शन, रोमांस, ड्रामा, ट्रेजिडी एंड फाइनली ब्यूटीफुल एंड. यार वो जो रोमांस, ड्रामा, ट्रेजिडी होता है ना, तो लाइफ का रोमांस, ड्रामा, ट्रेजिडी फेलियर के साथ शुरू होता है. तो हमेशा याद रखो, इस चीज़ से खुद को रिलेट करो और खुद को इतना पावरफुल बनाओ कि यार ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि आई एम वेटिंग फॉर फेलियर्स, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर failures. I hope you know that God gives challenges to the people who have ability to solve it. The toughest role is given to the actor who is the best actor, and the toughest role is you having failures in your life. We have learned 4 powerful steps of improving self-image. First, develop a mind power. Second, take one step at a time. And third, get the knowledge edge. And fourth, failure is the road to success.